Hey guys, I'm Brandon and I'm with Wagstaff Auto Detailing, and today's video is about prospecting and getting customers for an auto detailing business with 0 clients. And today I'm literally out on the street right now prospecting. We are on Main Street in Huntington Beach, California, trying to get clients. And I wanted to give you guys some more tips, tricks, and strategies on how to grow your mobile detailing business. So today we're out prospecting, like I said, and what is the goal of today? Today we're trying to get as many leads as possible. And what we're doing when we talk to these clients, potential clients, is we're saying, hey guys, we're a new mobile detailing company and we're going to be servicing vehicles in the area, and we're trying to get awareness to our company. We've only been open a month, and would you guys be interested in using detail services, or have you used detail services before? And from there, I go ahead and tell them that we have top of the line equipment, we have all the top of the line products, and that's gonna give them value, you guys. So what do? We do steam cleaning, we do carpet extracting, we have all P&S products, and we do odor removal, pet hair removal, we do bodily fluid removal, we do all of that, you guys. So you need a clay bar, you want to get your car waxed, you need headlight restoration. I mean, we just start naming some of the services, and hopefully one of them hits a soft spot with them, and they that's something they could use. So just to give you guys an idea, here we are right here on Main Street, you guys. And here's all of our tools right here. All right, yeah, we got some coffee going on here. And here's Starbucks helped me get some energy for today. And you can see that there's a Lambo right across the street. I've definitely put a card there, and I'm waiting for the owner to come out. So I want to speak with him and see if he wants to get his car cleaned. And we got a pretty cool spot right here. Basically, today's a weekday, so it's a little bit slow. I'll probably come back down here on one of the weekends, or possibly we are going to be coming down here for the farmers market and checking it out there. And we're just going to keep going until we get enough clients to where we don't have time to market anymore. And that's pretty much it. Hey guys, we're a new mobile detailing company, and
I'm not from around here.
Oh really?
Your card
Yeah, hey, yeah. Thank you so much, appreciate it. So yeah guys, I'm just on here trying to give you some motivation to grow your company, or when you're ready to get into the business, you guys kind of have an idea what to expect. And the more work you put into the business, the better your company is going to blow up. And I'm not even lying to you guys, I had practically 0 clients, and I had no work for the upcoming weeks. And now I'm pretty much going to have like about 5 days booked out for details from just this footwork, hitting the ground up and putting in the work, you guys. So there's a whole lot of different strategies to grow your auto detailing business. And as I learn them all, as I get more in tune with the business and hone my strategy and just get more in tune with the clients, the customer, what their needs are, and what hits the buttons of getting them to want to set appointments, and how I can set my my sales pitch better for them, I'm gonna bring that to you guys. So for the new videos coming moving forward, you guys, if you want to subscribe, you'll be getting all the information that's going to be coming in these coming days as we build up this business from the ground up and with 0 clients. And for my subscribers that are subscribed already from day one, where I had 0 subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And that keeps this channel going. We still are very, very young. We don't even have 200 subscribers yet. So any subscribers will help. And also, guys, I mentioned in my last previous videos that we are going to be doing some giveaways with auto detailing equipment. I have quite a bit of leftover equipment after doing this build, and that is going to be one of my gifts to these new and upcoming auto detailers that are trying to get their setup going. I'm going to do some giveaways on these channels as we hit our incremental goals. So when we hit 300, 400, 500, 600, all the way up to 1,000, we're going to be doing the giveaways. And in order to get in on that, you need to be subscribed and follow our IG channel, and keep an eye out when we hit those 300, 400 marks. Go to my IG and send me a DM and say, hey Brandon, you just hit 300. The first person that does that, we're gonna set you up with some auto detailing equipment. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.